Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show us how to calculate a problem under the topic motion under gravity. So stay with me. I'm going to take you step by step until we find the solution to these problems. So let's read the question, understand it, and then solve it together with you. A ball is thrown off vertically with a velocity of 40 meters per second. Calculate the maximum height reached, the time to reach the maximum height, the time to reach the ground. So a ball is thrown off with a velocity of 40 meters per second. The first question asks us to find the maximum height it will reach. The second question asks us to calculate the time that will take that ball to reach the maximum height. And then the third question asks us to find the entire time for the ball to go up and comes down. So let's write the values given to us. So a ball is thrown up vertically with a velocity of 40 meters per second. This is initial velocity, which is 40 meters per second. And then in this case, if an object is thrown up vertically, final velocity is 0. So V is final velocity equals to 0. And then remember, in this case, A equals to G and G equals to 10 meters per second. So let's look at one to one, the maximum height reach. We have to find the maximum height reach. Or is maximum distance reach? We don't know it yet. That's why I put question mark. So let's write the formula that suits us to calculate for the maximum height. We can use b square equals to u square plus 2gs. But remember, we cannot use this positive sign because the ball is going against the velocity. So this positive sign will turn into negative sign. So let's substitute. V is 0. So 0 square equals to U is 40 meters per second. Then 40 squared minus 2 times the value of G, which is 10 meters per second, times 10 times distance. So now 0 square is 0, which is equal to 40 squared. 40 square is 1600. 1600 minus 2 times 10 is minus 20 times s minus 20s. So now we can take this with the negative sign and cross the equality sign with it like this. 20s, since it has negative sign, when it crosses the equality sign it will become positive, now equals to 1600. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of s to cancel this 20. So 20s equals to 1600. So divided by 20 divided by 20. 20 cancel 20. Now s equals to 1600 divided by 20, which will give us 80 meter. 80 meter. So now we find the maximum height reach. Then Roman figure 2, the time. The time to reach the maximum height. We can use this formula. B equals to U plus AT. B equals to U plus AT. But remember, as always, in this case, A is G, and the sign will become negative since the ball is going up against the gravity. So this equation, we will write it this way: b equals to u minus gt. So let's substitute. B, final velocity is 0. Now 0 equals to initial velocity is 40 meter per second. 40 minus the value of g is 10. 10 times time, what we are going to find. So can also take this 10t and cross this minus 10t and cross this the equality sign with it. It will become 10t equals to 40. Now we want to find time. We will divide both sides by the coefficient of t. 10t equals to 40, divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 10. 10 cancel 10, divide by 10. Now we have t alone. 40 divided by 10 is 4 seconds. Now we find the time to reach the maximum height. What we are going to find next is the time to reach the ground. The time to reach the ground, meaning the time it will take the ball to go off and then come down. That is the twice of the time to reach the maximum height. Time to reach the ground is equal to the 2 times the time to reach the maximum height. So simply we will say it, therefore time to reach the ground equals to 2 times t, which is also equals to 2 times what we find this here, 4. So which is 2 times 4 is 8 seconds. So that's it. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe, comment with your question, and share it with my fellow students. So thank you for watching.